Welcome to Dr. Eye Care. This is Dr. Ankit Barod. I am a consultant ophthalmologist at Vasudev Kutumbakam Eye Hospital. Today I am going to talk on presbyopia. First I will start with definition of presbyopia, then I will tell you causes of presbyopia, then I will come to causes of premature presbyopia, then we will go to what you experience when you have presbyopia, and then on to treatment. What are the causes of presbyopia? What is the definition? Presbyopia is not an error of refraction, but it's a condition of physiological insufficiency in which there is progressive fall of near vision. Now, what are the causes? Generally, hardening of the lens or loss of elasticity of lens capsule can cause presbyopia. Also, there are some muscles which are attached to the lens. These muscles are called ciliary muscles. Decrease in the power of these muscles also leads to presbyopia. Now, I will come to premature presbyopia. Generally, what occurs is presbyopia would come at the age of 40, but it can also come before age of 40. When can it come before the age of 40? Before the age of 40, it can come in uncorrected hypermetropia or uncorrected plus power. Also, premature hardening of the lens can cause premature presbyopia. Generalized weakness in the body can cause premature presbyopia. Also, chronic simple glaucoma or eye pressure disease can cause premature presbyopia. Now, what do you experience when you got presbyopia? When you got presbyopia, what you will experience is decrease in near vision. That is, you will be able to read when you keep it at a distance, but you will not be able to read when you bring it near. Also, there would be difficulty in threading a needle. And third thing would be asthenopic symptoms. What are asthenopic symptoms? During near work or after prolonged near work or reading, you will find mild eye ache, headache, frontotemporal headache, watering, mild light sensitivity, nausea, etc. Now, what is the mode of treatment? There are two modes of treatment. One is glasses, another is surgery. For glasses, the power is determined according to age, but has to be confirmed by the ophthalmologist on examination, taking into consideration your occupation. Generally, 40 to 42 we give +1, 43, 44 of age we give +1.25, 45, 46, 47 we give +1.5, 48, 49 we will give +1.75, 50, 51, 52 we will give 2.00. When it is 53, 54 of age, we give +2.25, and when it's 55 or above, we give +2.5. But exact has to be calculated by the ophthalmologist on examination, taking your occupation into consideration. Now, what is the other mode of treatment, or what are the type of spectacles? Spectacles are of three types: monofocal, bifocal, and progressive. Monofocal you can use only for near vision. In bifocal, you can see at distance and you can see in near, but there would be a jump in vision when you go from distance to near or from near to distance. This jump, and it is less appealing to the eye and it gives away your age. So, for getting a glass which is appealing to the eye, you should have a progressive lens. Progressive lenses are appealing to the eye, will not give away your age, and there is a power gradient. So, you can also have good intermediate vision. That is, when you want to use a computer, you can use a progressive lens. For surgery, after undergoing cataract surgery, you have to find whether you are suitable candidate for multifocal lens or not. If you are a suitable candidate for multifocal lens, you can request your cataract surgeon to have a multifocal lens in your eye. That can also relieve you from presbyopia. Other surgeries are under trial, and when they come out of trial and are published, I will let you know. I have tried my level best to explain all that is to presbyopia. After this also, you got a doubt or query, please post in the comment section below. And for more such informative videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.